If you're trying to open Adobe Illustrator and suddenly see error 205, don't worry, because this is a fairly common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. Error 205 usually appears when Illustrator has trouble communicating with Adobe services, which can happen because of account sign-in problems, outdated Creative Cloud software, network restrictions, or stored credentials that are conflicting with your login. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through them step by step so you can get Illustrator running again quickly. Make sure you follow along with each method because most users are able to solve the problem within the first couple of fixes. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software troubleshooting guides just like this. Now let's go ahead and start with the first fix. The first thing you should try is signing out and then signing back in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. A lot of the time, error 205 appears because the authentication session between your computer and Adobe servers has expired or become corrupted. To do this, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. Once it opens, look at the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. A small menu will appear where you'll see the option to sign out of your Adobe account. Click Sign Out and allow Creative Cloud to log you out completely. After that, close the Creative Cloud app entirely. It's a good idea to wait a few seconds and then reopen the Creative Cloud application again. Once it launches, sign back in using your Adobe account credentials. After signing in, try launching Adobe Illustrator again and see if the error has been resolved. If the problem is still happening, the next thing you should do is check for updates for both Creative Cloud and Adobe Illustrator. Running outdated versions of Adobe software can sometimes cause connection errors like error 205. Open the Creative Cloud app again and go to the Apps section where you can see all the installed Adobe applications on your system. Look for any available updates for Creative Cloud itself or for Adobe Illustrator. If updates are available, click Update and allow the software to install the latest version. These updates often include bug fixes and connectivity improvements that can resolve login or service-related errors. After the updates finish installing, restart your computer to make sure everything refreshes properly. Once your computer starts back up, open Creative Cloud and try launching Illustrator again. Another common cause of error 205 is a network issue preventing Illustrator from communicating with Adobe servers. Start by checking that your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a website in your browser just to confirm that your connection is active and stable. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it and then try launching Illustrator again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Adobe's authentication services. You should also check whether your firewall or security software might be blocking Adobe applications. If necessary, add Adobe Creative Cloud and Illustrator to your firewall's allowed apps list. Once you've confirmed that your network is working normally, open Illustrator again and see if the error message is gone. If you're using Windows and the issue still hasn't been fixed, the next method involves clearing stored credentials that may be conflicting with your Adobe login. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator so you have the required permissions. In the command window, type cmdkey/list and press Enter. This command will display all stored credentials on your system. Look through the list for any credentials related to Adobe or Creative Cloud. If you find any, remove them using the cmdkey command with the Delete option. Removing these stored credentials forces your system to request fresh authentication the next time you sign into Creative Cloud. After deleting the Adobe-related entries, restart your computer and then sign back into the Creative Cloud app again. If none of the previous fixes solve the problem, the final step is to reinstall Adobe Illustrator. Sometimes installation files become corrupted or incomplete, which can trigger errors during launch. Open the Creative Cloud application and go to the Apps section. Find Adobe Illustrator in your installed apps list and choose the option to uninstall it. Wait for the removal process to finish completely. Once Illustrator has been uninstalled, restart your computer just to make sure everything clears out properly. After restarting, open Creative Cloud again, find Adobe Illustrator in the available apps list, and install it again from scratch. Once the installation finishes, launch Illustrator and the error should be resolved. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Adobe Illustrator error 205 and get the program working again. In most cases, simply signing out of Creative Cloud or updating the software will solve the issue, but if not, the other methods we covered should take care of it. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.